Introducing the Row Cycle from German inventor Michael Schmittler, an innovative sporting equipment creation that combines the fun of cycling with the motion of rowing a boat. If you're searching for a new way to work out in the beautiful outdoors, this unique three-wheeled bike could be your answer. Perfect for competition rowers, exercise enthusiasts, or anyone looking for a better way to strengthen their upper body. The Row Cycle offers an effective, impact-free workout without spending countless hours in the gym. The Row Cycle is ridden while sitting in a rowboat-style position with your feet pressed against a footplate. To get moving, simply pull the front position handle repeatedly toward yourself in a rowing motion. As you row, the handle pulls a cable through a pulley system that turns the two front wheels. Instead of steering the Row Cycle like a traditional bike, you'll need to shift your weight and lean in the direction you want to go. Speed is determined by how hard and fast you can pull the handle. Adjustable to fit most any rider, the Row Cycle lets you row your way to better fitness. Check out the Ampere One, a revolutionary electric sports car from Ampere Motors USA. Launched at the Los Angeles Auto Show in 2017, this tiny three-wheeler squeezes a sporty electric roadster into a small but undeniably attractive package. The Ampere was created through extensive consultations with world-class designers and engineers. Its blend of futuristic curves and lines with vintage race car elements creates a striking profile that looks absolutely fabulous on the road. Though its small stature might lead some to doubt its safety or durability, the Ampere sits on a strong race car-style tubular chassis with a rugged carbon Kevlar drivetrain. Aided by smart regenerative braking, its range can be extended to 150 miles. Charged from a normal wall outlet, this tiny roadster is capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7 seconds. And with a suspension system that rivals other larger, more expensive sports cars, you're sure to enjoy each mile you drive. If you'd like to see the Ampere up close, the company plans a test drive event soon. Find out more at the link below. Meet the Outrider electric adventure vehicles from North Carolina company Outrider USA, a three-wheeled recumbent concept for electrically assisted cycling. With models for on the road, off the road, or both, Outrider EAVs offer comfort, power, and versatility on any ground. Designed for the street, the Outrider Alpha is the ultimate road machine. The Alpha lets you cruise with electric power, work out with pedal power, or combine both for a range of up to 160 miles. Outrider Horizon lets you ride the dusty back roads at up to 25 miles per hour. Its independent front and rear air shock suspension system provides excellent handling over the most rugged terrain. With the Horizon Hand Electric Cycle or Tri-Pin Control model, many people confined to wheelchairs can enjoy the freedom of off-road cycling once again. The Outrider Nomad bridges the gap between the road and the open backcountry. Equipped for cruising the street at up to 35 miles per hour, the Nomad can also be ridden where no roads exist. Wherever you ride, Outrider EAVs offer the freedom to find your adventure. Check out the Voi, a multi-purpose electric scooter from Germany's Technical University München and Singapore's Nanyang Technological University. As a possible transportation solution for overpopulated megacities, this innovative scooter is designed to be as agile and affordable as a scooter and as safe and comfortable as a car. Including an innovative enclosed front passenger cabin, the Voi was designed and tested over many months by students of each participating university. The front cabin shields the passenger from inclement weather and adds increased protection in an accident. When considered in conjunction with its zero-emission electric motor, the Voi's innovative cabin design makes it a potential alternative to taxis. Adding to its use for transporting a passenger, the Voi's front cabin can be swapped for either a cargo container or a compact mobile mini kitchen for street vendors. With its top speed of 28 miles per hour and range of about 50 miles, the Voi could also provide last-mile transportation between public transportation and passengers' destinations. Though no plans exist for mass production, the Voi prototype demonstrates how multiple solutions can be achieved from a single innovation. Introducing the EV4 semi-recumbent electric tricycle from Poland's Aero Services, the newest addition to the company's line of electric cycles. Unlike the original EV4 electric bikes we've featured on Free's lists, the EV4 semi-recumbent replaces the upright bike seat with a new laid-back bucket seat that's adjustable for riders of various sizes. To further accommodate the new seating position, the steering column has been tilted more toward the rider, and the pedals are moved to the front of the frame. With these new innovations, the EV4 semi-recumbent provides an unbelievable level of riding comfort. Also, like its previous versions, this incarnation features the company's signature tilting mechanism on the front two wheels for superior turning ability. Shoppers will appreciate that the front and rear include convenient cargo racks. A single charge of the removable battery provides a range of up to 50 miles. Speeds of up to 16 miles per hour can be achieved when using electric pedal assist. Whether running a quick shopping errand or taking a longer pleasure ride, the EV4 semi-recumbent could be the most comfortable bike you've ever ridden. Meet the Blizzwheel e-skates, a new type of foldable powered skates from Chinese and Californian company Blizzwheel Incorporated. If your current means of transportation is causing more inconvenience than it's worth, the Blizzwheel could be a much better option. Worn with almost any shoe, the Blizzwheel includes a motorized solid rubber wheel with a fold-down foot platform. To assist with balance, the foot platform contains a row of unpowered stabilizer wheels. Powered by a high-performance brushless DC motor, the Blizzwheel can take you wherever you're going faster and easier than traditional skates, skateboards, or scooters. Depending on which of the three available Blizzwheel models you choose, a single charge of the battery lets you skate at up to 15 miles per hour for up to 15 miles. Speed can be set by either a Bluetooth hand controller or a finger control that's worn like a glove. When you reach your destination, your Blizzwheels can be quickly folded into a flat configuration and carried in a laptop-sized bag. Fun, fast, light, and portable, the Blizzwheel lets you step into the potential future of personal transportation. Introducing the electric board skates from Ohio company Hammaker Schlemer, a new skating innovation that combines the attributes of a skateboard, hoverboard, and roller skates. Though the electric board skates have no straps for securing your feet, the textured non-slip foot plates provide exceptionally stable footing for anyone weighing up to 220 pounds. Controlled by subtle foot movements and leaning from side to side, these amazing skates feel like you're gliding along on a skateboard without having to push off from the ground. The electric board skates are propelled by a 350-watt electric motor within one of the skate's rear wheels. Using the wireless hand controller for throttle control, you'll be able to zoom along the pavement at up to 12 miles per hour. A single 90-minute charge from the included AC adapter provides you with a range of up to 8 miles. For braking, simply pull back on the controller's throttle switch to the degree that you want to slow down or stop. Once you've mastered your electric board skates, you may never want to walk anywhere again. This is the Solo Wheel Brush, a new balancing aid designed to help you learn to ride the amazing Solo Wheel. The Solo Wheel is an electrically powered wheel designed for fun and personal transportation. While it's perfectly balanced from front to back, side-to-side balancing is up to you. Riding the Solo Wheel comes naturally for some people, but many others just can't seem to get the hang of it. If that's an issue for you, help has arrived with the Solo Wheel Brush. Attached to each side of your Solo Wheel, these odd-looking brushes help you gradually learn to balance yourself. Whereas training wheels would totally inhibit your ability to steer the Solo Wheel, these brushes provide excellent stability while allowing you to learn riding techniques like leaning into turns. With the Solo Wheel Brush, you'll become a master of the wheel in no time. When that happens, perhaps you could use the brushes in other ways. Solo Wheel brushes are completely adjustable and can be used with any Solo Wheel model. If your lack of balancing ability has kept you off the Solo Wheel brush will help brush up those skills fast.